looks like a bit higher today. I'm going to probably try up in this area here and probably get right down to that bedrock. And here, did do a sample out of that wall there, didn't get a lot, pretty much came bedrock here. But there is a bit of gravel around, so we'll just take that. So I've done about 6 hours there now. It's getting a bit too hard to fill a bucket out of that, so I've just been swimming the detector up in here. As I said, I started in here, I think I did 6 out of this bit, and it was just really hard to get to fill a bucket, so it's taking too long. But so I think I got 3 buckets out of there.